Hey guys, Laura with We Met Wirework and More here, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these super cute wire rose barrettes. And while I have you, I'd like to thank you for popping in and seeing what I'm getting up to, and ask you to hit that bell so that you get the notifications when we come up with more fun projects, and perhaps you'll learn something new as far as working with wire. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, let's get going. And today I'm going to show you how to make one of these really cute little wire rose barrettes. And this project came about when I was doing a market, and a young lady saw the roses and asked if I was making hair decorations with them, or hair barrettes. And I told her no, but that I was going to try it. And you know what? They turned out really quite pretty. So thank you, Miss, whoever you are. I didn't get your name, but I think it was a really great idea. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this together today. And as far as the wire roses go, I do have a couple of tutorials already posted for these, and I will leave the link up here during the video so that you can go back and look at that. So I'm not actually going to make the roses today. I'd like to focus more on the barrette itself. So without further ado, I'll go through our supplies. And this is a barrette, and these you can find 2 or 3 for $1 at the dollar store. And that's all you need. It's nothing fancy. We have some aluminum craft wire. You could use the steel as well. The aluminum is just super easy to work with. And then we just have some round jewelry pliers, and then just a pair of snips. So to start, we're going to measure off about an arm's length, and one of my favorite measurements, as everybody knows. Snip that off, and then we're going to take our first 2 roses, and for these ones actually I want the largest rose in the middle, so I'm going to start with these 2. Putting them together, and as you see, the tails are opposing, right? They're parallel, but they go in opposite directions. And then I'm going to take my aluminum wire about the center point, and I'm going to pop it on there and just give it a couple of twists. Now you see that my flower is separated, and that's fine. And it's also okay moving forward if you actually see the silver between the roses. It's just an additional design component. All right, so those 2 are loosely wired together. So then I'm going to flip it upside down, and I'm going to continue to make a couple of wraps on that piece of wire that protrudes, and that's just going to help lock this all in place. Right, perfect. So we have 2 of these done, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this second wire, or this additional wire, going in the opposite direction, but just a couple of them, because we are going to add our 3rd rose in here. So flipping it back upside down again, as you can see, I'm just winding, 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 and bringing this around here, like this. So you can see how it's going to sit on top of our barrette. It's a little loose, a little warbly, and that is going to happen. Just going to lift this tail up a little bit so that I can bring the wire all the way to the end. Same thing with this one here. We're capturing that second wire that was in there. There we go. A little messy on the bottom, and that's okay because you're not going to see that. So then we take our barrette, opening it up. We're going to pop our roses on there, and we only just want to attach it in these two spots because when it's closed, you can see this area is completely flush against one another, and the wire's just going to be too bulky for there, and it actually will end up snapping. It'll end up breaking on you. So taking our barrette and popping it on there, we're just going to take and we're going to just make 3 or 4 wraps right there. And we're going to squeeze those together, pushing our roses towards the end. And we take the second side, lifting up our roses so that we can access that. As you can see, and then this one we did 4 wraps, which is going to be plenty for this. Right, awesome. So now we take and we snip, leaving, oh, I don't know, about 1 centimeter or so of wire, and then we take that and we're going to just tuck it in here with our roses. Tucking it in, and because this is aluminum, it's super soft, so you can just push it in there, outside. This side as well. All right, so this side we don't have to worry about a piece of the purple wire sticking out the far side. On this other one here, we've got the 2 of them. So the little guy, short guy, and yours may end up being longer than this, is just going to get poked in underneath like that. And this process is going to help stabilize the roses on your barrettes. So then this one here, we're going to take and we're just going to poke it in underneath our flower somewhere. Mucking around with it, adjusting it a bit. Playing with our roses, adjusting them. Okay, awesome. And then, as you can see, it still closes. Alright, so it's ready for anybody to wear, especially cute for little girls. And you actually can make these in any kind of wire. I use this colored wire because it stands out so well in the videos, but really the sky is the limit. So for now, this is Laura with We Met Wirework and More. And I want to thank you for popping by and checking out what I have going on. And remember to hit that bell if you'd like to learn more about working with wire. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In the meantime, have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much.